What's up, internet marketers? It's Ike Paz, and today I'm going to show you how to make an affiliate marketing funnel easily, without any guesswork, without trial and error, and most importantly, without hassle. So today's method is about what I like to call the reverse echo funnel. Please remember that. Second one, it's about building assets. And finally, it's about working smarter versus working harder. Top of this, make sure to like and subscribe so you can get more videos like this. And also, click the link down below to get the fast track version of what I'm about to show you. Okay, so without further ado, how do you do this? Well, it doesn't matter really the affiliate marketing site or affiliate marketing network you use. I got ClickBank here, for example, okay? What you want to do, for example, with ClickBank, you don't want to put anything in here. You want to just click the magnifying glass here, and it's going to give you and produce the best affiliate offers, okay? These guys right here, these affiliate offers, they are the winners, okay? These are the affiliate offers that are selling like crazy, okay? You want to pick winners. You know why? Because you're going to reverse engineer these winners into your funnel. Think of it like this, okay? You're going to have a proven offer, and your proven offer is going to echo into every part of your funnel, okay? From your traffic source, it can be an ad or a Pinterest pin, a YouTube video, whatever it is, to your opt-in page, right down to your thank you page. Actually, you could delete this part and send your opt-in traffic right to your proven offer, but I recommend you create a nice little lead magnet. More on that later, okay? And then, of course, from your thank you page to your proven offer. And I'm going to show you how to do this step by step, okay? So again, your proven offer, whichever winner you choose, you want to pick a winner, okay? It's going to dictate the rest of your funnel. It's going to echo into the rest of your funnel. And it's, as you can see, you're doing it in a reverse fashion. You're going offer first, okay? So all of these have high gravity. For example, this Lipotox has over 500 gravity. This Cinderella solution has over 200, okay? And gravity means that our people are actually selling this right now, and it's actually working. I mean, people are actually buying this product, okay? Really important. So we go to Ted's Woodworking. Now again, this works for any niche. Ted's Woodworking is a high converting, I should say, offer in the woodworking niche, okay? You can see right now it has over 163 gravity, so that's really cool. I'm gonna go to this offer right here. I'm gonna show you how to do this step by step, okay? First thing you wanna do is take note of the headline, okay? The headline is really important. I'm gonna write that down in a notepad right here. I'm gonna write that the headline. One of the major reasons why this particular, let's go back to this page, why this particular product is doing so well, because people in the woodworking niche are really interested in having a quantity of woodworking plans, okay? Woodworking plans so they can build shelves and dressers, who knows? Birdhouses, who knows, okay? So we want to take note of that, okay? Second thing we want to do, we want to be visually identical or as close as possible to the offer page, okay? So here we have this wood background, right? Wood-like background. There's two ways to do this. You want to copy this background image or get an image similar to this. You can go to, for example, Pixabay to get images. These are public domain images if you want. You can, if you're worried about copyright or anything, you can get images off of there. But what I want to do is actually take the background image from this page right here. Just right click and go to view page source. Okay, when you go to view page source, you're gonna click Control F and look for background image, okay? And you're gonna look for a link. So I'm gonna look for that link here, not here. Here we go. Here's the link. Check it out. Boom. www.tedwoodworking, and then you have the whole image link. I'm gonna copy that. I'm gonna dump it in the browser, And here you have the image, just save as, and we're going to be using this a lot in this example, okay? So now you have the title and the working headline and the background. Really important stuff to remember. Okay, so now we go back to our little mind map here. Okay, so I'm going to add the headline right here, and this is going to affect the rest of our funnel, right? We have our background, the wooden background for our traffic source feed and ad, or a Pinterest pin or whatever, a YouTube video, our opt-in page, our thank you page. Really important thing to understand here. Okay, what's next? So we want to work on our opt-in page actually, because our opt-in page is a gateway to all of this, right? Our opt-in page will dictate what our traffic source will be saying, the message we're sending out to the world, and our opt-in page is going to pre-sell our audience to this offer here. Okay, really important to remember. So let's open up a page. This is an example dummy page on my internet marketing site. Of course, ideally, you're gonna want to put this on your woodworking site. So this is Thrive Themes. You can use any page builder you want. Okay, I'm gonna click on my saved templates. I'm gonna go to my squeeze page. All of the major page builders have a built-in squeeze page or opt-in page. Okay, now I'm gonna click on the background section here, click on background style, and I'm gonna add that background image I found and add it in there. Okay, same thing here. This is gonna be our thank you page. So I'm gonna click on the templates I already have. I'm gonna click on the thank you page. Okay, so I added my thank you template. I'm gonna take the background, same thing. So I selected the woodworking image, background image, and I added it to my thank you page. So here I'm gonna write. Wait, okay, hit apply. Here I'm gonna write download. Thank you. Download my free. Now see, we don't have a lead magnet yet. What we're gonna do, and this is really important, right? So we're gonna go back to our title here that we got from the offer, from this offer right here. We're gonna go back to this title. I'm gonna copy wood plans. Okay, I'm gonna copy that. I'm gonna go to my browser. Remember, you should start from what the audience, what your niche audience wants. You never want to start from what you think is a good idea. Putting wood plans in there. And I like to give people something tangible, something they actually use. So I'm going to scroll down to related keywords here. And as you can see, we have free printable woodworking plans. I like that. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to use this as my example lead magnet. Okay. Now, if you don't know how to create a lead magnet, I have a video attached to this video at the top. You want to check it out, click the link and learn how to do that. Okay, so now that I have my lead magnet, I'm going to add it to all of my pages so that they understand if they opt in, they're going to get this printable woodworking plan. Download. Let's say I'm going to put 7 of the easiest printable woodworking plans. Okay, so I'm gonna be offering 7. Okay, really important. I'm gonna add the same thing here. Free printable 7 free printable woodworking plans you're gonna love. Okay, that's cool. The ultimate woodworking plans. Okay, where should we send the plans? You know, I'm adding just the basic the components of my lead magnet. Send me the printable now. Now, if you don't know what a printable is just something that people can download and actually use, they can actually print out and work with. Okay, so that's okay. So we're done with our squeeze page or opt-in page, right? I'm gonna take this and add it to this section right here. And since the opt-in, offer, and what to get in the thank you page is the same, I'm going to duplicate and add this to the thank you page section. Okay, so you can see here, 7 free printable woodworking plans you're going to love, the ultimate woodworking plans. Where should we send the plans? Actually, I'm gonna make this printable. Just like that. And there we go. We have our opt-in form. We have our opt-in box, so if people who are interested in woodworking can get these 7 free printable woodworking plans. Now I can outsource this on Fiverr or find it online, maybe public domain, and turn it into a PDF where people can actually print it out. Okay, so now we're gonna add the same thing. Very easy stuff. Nothing difficult. 7 printable. You're gonna love. Copy that. Center that. Now again, most of these page builders work in the same manner. Your download link is here. And I'm gonna add a button. Download printable here. Then I'm gonna duplicate this, drawing it towards the bottom. Want more woodworking plans? Check out 16,000 of them here. And let's say I'm gonna get my affiliate link. So I'm gonna promote this. I click promote. I put in my name, my ID. I got the link. Close that up. Add this link. And it says open new window. No, I don't want that. I want it to open in the same window. Click insert. Click save. And then it should appear here. And this is just a very simple way to do this, right? And it goes straight to this offer. And as you can see, it all gels together, right? This opt-in box works perfectly with this section here, and it leads right into here. Okay, now we're not done though, because we gotta think about our traffic source. So here I have traffic source. Let's say for this example, it doesn't matter, it can be a Pinterest pin or a YouTube video or a post, but let's say, just for the sake of argument, make it nice and simple. Let's make it an ad. Okay, make it an ad. So I go to Canva, the same software I'm using right now. I go to Canva. I have this, let's say I'm using a Google ad. I'm using a nice square here. I'm gonna, of course, add my background that I uploaded for the TED woodworking offer, affiliate offer. Let's turn these, turn these arrows. Let's make them black. Okay. Now, if you don't know what Canva is, it's a free tool. I use it all the time, almost daily. And yeah, you can just, everything's drag and drop here. I got some text already. I'm gonna use this text right here. Again, you want everything to jive together. You want everything to make sense. Color this black. Okay, here we go. 7 printable woodworking plans you're going to love. Okay, This is a nice little ad we got here. We can use this on the display network, on Google's display network, or you can create a pin around that using Canva, of course. Instead of learn more, I'm gonna write grab it here. Okay, just like that. Okay, so there we go. That's how we do it. See, this correlates with this, with the thank you page and the affiliate offer. Okay, so you're starting everything from the offer. The offer is going to echo out how the other parts of the funnel are going to look, feel, and function. That's how you create a high converting funnel with affiliate marketing. Okay, and again, if you want, you can just remove this and send that traffic directly to the offer. I'm not that kind of marketer, but you know, you don't have to do exactly what I do, right? So you can just send the traffic to the opt-in page, send it to the offer, and you can use this headline as your opt-in box headline. Okay, you can use your affiliate offer headline, the proven to convert affiliate offer, as your headline for your opt-in box. Okay, that's how you do it. Also, don't forget to check the link out below, and I'm gonna show you how you can get everything done for you. 5 done for you webinar funnels, 5 done for you affiliate funnels, 5 done for you bonus funnels, all done for you. Hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll have more videos like this in the near future. Okay, take care and bye-bye.